Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to turn off Ask Meta AI on Facebook. So if you need to turn that off, just follow this video and by the end, you'll know how to do it. So the first thing that we need to do is we have to open up Facebook. So when we search something here, we get this option of Ask Meta AI. Uh, that is, an AI of Facebook. So what we can do is we can click here, and if we need to turn it off, what do we need to do? We need to click here. We need to tap here on this Meta AI logo. And here we can mute it and we can click on until I change it. So if you do this, Meta AI will be off and you will not be able to use Meta AI until you turn this back on. So that's the way how you turn it off and how to not get any further suggestions or I would say notifications from Meta AI. So you're good to go. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.